Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to all of you. Alhamdulillah, today's program came to an end and it is time to thank everybody. This is a great event for Institute of Objective Studies and all its associates to recognize, appreciate and take forward the great work done by its founder and now chief patron, Dr. Muhammad Manzoor Alam. He is a great thinker and a thought leader of present time and true pipe and torch bearer for all of us. मैं एक शेर पेश करना चाहती हूँ। मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया और ये आज कारवां देख रहा है his efforts. Now I want to present my sincere thanks from the core of my heart to Mr. A.U. Asif, senior journalist, who has long and great association with Institute of IAS. I congratulate him and salute him for his hard work, dedication, and sincerity in bringing out this book. I am especially thankful to other people who are the team who were associated for the this editing work of this book. I will mention the name of Ms. Samra Firdos, who is the project coordinator of Institute of Objective Studies, because she also took great pain in editing of this book. Thank you very much. It is my privilege and honor to present my sincere thanks and gratitude to Mr. Salman Khurshid, former cabinet minister, present president, very worthy Sadr Bawakar of India Islamic Cultural Center, for being with us and releasing the book. Thank you very much, sir. It is again my privilege to present special thanks to Professor Umar Hassan Kasoli Sahab, Secretary General IIT USA, for being with us. He came for this event on early to Delhi. This shows his commitment and his great association with Dr. Muhammad Manzoor Alam and Institute of Objective Studies. Thank you very much, sir. From Institute of Objective Studies and from all of us. I am extremely thankful to Mr. S.Y. Qureshi, former Election Commissioner of India, Professor Amitabh Kundu Sahab, a great academician and researcher, they are also associated with IAS. Professor Akhtar Wase Sahab, former Vice Chancellor and Professor Emeritus Jamia Hamdard and Jamia Millia Islamia. Mr. Zanir from Sri Lanka, Mr. Mir Afzal, former MP and Ambassador to Yemen. Mr. John Dayal, a great social worker, Professor Faizan Mustafa, Vice Chancellor, and the journalist who was with us, Mr. S.Y. Naqvi, and Professor Amirullah Khan Sahab from Hyderabad, who came for this event to this place. Thank you very much. Thank you all. And my special thanks go to Mr. Gurdev Singh Ji, and who came from Punjab, Mr. Studying Engineer Sahab from Jamaat Islamia Hind, and Mr. Ahmad Hassan Imran, who has also great association with Institute of Objective Studies, who came from West Bengal, Calcutta. I present my special thanks to all dignitaries who joined us online and presented their feelings and their what they know about our President, Dr. Muhammad Manzoor Alam. I want to mention the names of Mr. Anwar Ibrahim Sahab, Prime Minister Malaysia, for his great association with Institute of Objective Studies and with Dr. Muhammad Manzoor Alam. Dr. Abdullah Mutub Al-Mutub from, he was from Kuwait. Then Dr. Samir Kyo Fakhru from Bahrain. Sayyidul Nisa Said, she was from South South Africa, and others who joined us online. We are very much thankful to them all. Now, I am extremely thankful to Maulana Anisur Rahman Sahab, who came from Patla for this event. Thank you very much, Maulana Sahab, for your association and for your appreciation. And I am present by sincere thanks and gratitude to Professor Salim Khan, Patron Institute of Objective Studies, for welcoming the guests and for his presence. I am extremely thankful to Mr. Muhammad Alam, Secretary General Institute of Objective Studies, for his hard work, for his efforts, and for his cooperation. I present my heartfelt thanks to Professor Muhammad Abdul Wahid Sahab chairing this session, and also the chairman of Institute of Objective Studies for his inspirational attitude and for his hard work. Thank you very much, sir. I am extremely thankful to Mr. Akhtar from Dili College for conducting this program meticulously. I am grateful to Dr. Nikhat of Institute of Objective Studies for reciting Holy Quran with translation. I am grateful to the whole IS team, Mr. Ataur Rahman, Mr. Mansoor, Ms. Uma, Mr. Saad Niazi, Mr. Parvez, and all who contributed to this event. Thank you very much, all of you. I also pointing out this constitutional club for providing us this hall and other facilities. Finally, I am extremely thankful to Genuine Publication, New Delhi. I mean Mr. Ibrahim Alam and his team for bringing out this book. Without your cooperation, Mr. Ibrahim, it was not possible. I once again thank you all, thank you the team. If you want to say something, you can. Now, I want to thank all family members of Dr. Muhammad Mansoor Alam who came to this place with the kids, because they show their enthusiasm, their intimacy. Thank you very much. Thank you all. I present my thanks from the core of my heart to all online and offline participants who were here with us for this event. Thank you very much. Thank you all. एक शेयर आपके लिए मुसाफिर है आप भी, मुसाफिर है हम भी, किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात होगी।